Live.
Hey guys, it's Nisha the PA over here at Dr. Emer's office, and today I'm going to show you some of the after results of my gorgeous client. You can scroll back down our timeline, down our feed to see him when he first got out of surgery, but right now we are about 2 weeks post-op. Before I get into his after results, I really want to show you his before photos, and I want to show you how we were able to help him achieve his goals. So number one, my beautiful client had almost 100-pound weight loss, but which is awesome, right? Because I'm just trying to lose like 10, but 100-pound weight loss that left him with a lot of extra skin in his abdominal region. He wanted a little bit more tighter skin in that area, a little bit more definition to his chest. This is his front view. You can see the problem area right here in the middle. And then I'll show you a little bit of his side profile, and you can see the problem area a little bit more drastically on this side, where a little bit of an outpouching down there. Now, get into his after results. I'll show you guys how amazing he looks just 2 weeks post-op, and I'll tell you exactly what we did. First, look at the fact that there's no more loose skin. This is no loose skin here. Look at how it looked before. I'll show you guys how much skin we were able to remove. This is about 10 pounds worth of excess skin that he was just dragging around after losing almost or over 100 pounds. And now look at his after results. We were able to achieve this with a full tummy tuck. You can see his abdominal scar goes a little bit further back, but just 2 weeks post-op, look how great his scars look. This is before doing any laser treatment. This is just doing the appropriate skincare that we recommend after any treatment. So full tummy tuck. We also did liposuction, internal heating with Renuvion. Remember, when you do liposuction, that removes all the excess fat. You want to do internal heating with Renuvion, which is really going to help to shrink wrap the skin. The next thing we did after that was fat grafting, and we also did nipple lift and gland removal. Remember, the reason why we do the gland removal is that you can't actually remove it with liposuction. You can see in his before photos, his chest was a little bit flatter. You can see a little bit of the excess kind of fat in the gland below the areola. Now look at him now where he has a lot more definition to the top of his chest. This gives him a nice athletic look, which matches his lower abdominal region, which is nice, tight, and flat. Now remember, this is just 2 weeks post-op. Although he looks amazing, he still has internal swelling going on. All of that will start to decrease over the next few months. His results will only get better with time. Now, the reason why he looks so great just 2 weeks after surgery is because he's done the appropriate aftercare. Remember, it's not just about doing your surgery, it's about what you do after your surgery to enhance and maintain your results. Now, what are those appropriate aftercare things? Let's just go over them again. Number one, you want to do lymphatic massages. Remember that lymphatic massages will help to drain all the excess fluid that you accumulate during surgery. Number two, you want to make sure that you're doing your IV therapy along with draining that excess fluid during surgery. You also lose a lot of fluid, so IV therapy will help to restore those things. Not just your normal IVs, but also NAD, which is your energy molecule here at the office. It takes about an hour to run, maybe a little bit longer, but it's perfect because it helps with cellular repair. So we talked about lymphatic, we talked about IV, but third and definitely not the least, we want to do our oxygen chamber, which will help to provide oxygen to that tissue to heal quicker. So that's why he looks so great 2 weeks post-op. Look at how amazing his scar looks. But this will only get better because remember, starting at 2 weeks, you can start to do our body treatment here in the office. Now, we've talked about body treatment before, but I'll go over it again. Number one, you can do body tone. Body tone is a machine that will cause electrical stimulations to your muscles and stimulate over 20,000 reps no matter where you put it. We can do it to his abdomen starting right about now because he's 2 weeks. That's going to help to enhance his results. The second thing you can do is something called Venus Legacy, which is radio frequency energy. That's going to help to further decrease swelling and tighten the area. And then at 3 weeks, we can start to do laser treatments. And what the laser treatments will do is help to minimize the scar that he has. I mean, this scar is barely visible as it is, but in about another week, we can do fractal and V-beam to this area, help to get out some of the pinkness, help it to lay a little bit flatter. We can do it up here as well. That way, he can confidently say, new body, who this, and no one's going to know how it happened. Of course, a big part of that is his hard work that he did, because remember, he lost close to 100 pounds. He just had a lot of excess skin, which we were able to remove here and give him this nice flat results, which you guys see here. Now, if you guys have any questions, you guys want to get a consultation at our office, maybe you just want to see where to start, we're here to help you out. Make sure you email us, first name, last name, email address, and phone number. We'll be sure to reach out to you. Until next time, it's Nisha the PA, Dr. Emer's office. Bye, guys.